Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go.
1, 2, 3!
Ako doon ka anak, kahulat.
Grabe, hindi makaya sa kataas pero believe ko kay Daisy. Grabe. Good job, Daisy. Good job.
Haman lang giambak ang pila ko ka feet.
20 meters.
20 meters na cliff there sa Malapascua. Guys, grabe, makita nyo sa yahang vlog. So please watch out sa yahang vlog kaya makita niyo dito kung sa siya ka. I think that's the essence of an influencer, like to inspire people nga don't be afraid.
Yes, don't be afraid to jump. To jump.
Jump the cliff.
Hello, what's up, these friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So it's official day 2 here in Malapascua Island, and we're currently here sa ilahang Dalampasigan because we're going to see the sunrise, witness the sunrise. It's currently 5:30 ang sunrise, good guys, kay 5:45, so we just wait and we just stroll here in the beach. So this is the beach of Malapascua. So dito ang sunrise. Hopefully magpakita siya or nice siya. Inigsubang, charot. 1, 2, 3.
Sabay. 5, 6, 7, yeah.
Hi, these friends. So we're going back to Villa Sandra now. Kaya mag-prepare pa sa kamong breakfast, guys. Welcome to my humble abode. Charot! Wow! Guys, so we're on the roof of Villa Sandra. So muna ang upusan ni guys kay kuan na mo kana accommodation na mo.
Vlog takeover. So guys, kanang buhis-buhas yung bayhanan no. Buhis-buhay kayo yung mga shoots. Tanawa gud na amin sa rooftop, guys.
Yes!
Hay nako. Somehow nagsisisi ako naging kaibigan ko to. Kasi buhay na rin yung cameraman ngayon. Sige, go.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall.
Alright, days friends. So mag-breakfast na mi guys. So muna siya guys, ang breakfast. Usa ka kawa. Sardinas.
Pagkain ng mayaman.
Egg.
Wagi labad kauban no kay di arte. Ikaw daw kayo.
Pobre gud ta. Alright, days friends. So mag-start na miss guys, padung na miss sa boat. Gibiyaan ako nila. Dugay kay ko nag-prepare pa kasi kung mga gamit. So yes guys, mag-tour me. Unsay atong mga pagatuan kuya?
Kuadto tag Japanese shipwreck, garden corals, dakit-dakit island.
Okay, so wala ko naka-bring sa akong freediving fins and mask. Narami dito yung snorkeling mask. Okay.
But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall.
Hi Days friends, this is Karma.
Hi Karma! Are you going to die?
He's joining us sa tuang diving. Look at him. He's so excited to dive as well. Meet your kambal.
Dali, come on.
Ayaw niya sa'yo kasi masyado kong maganda para sa
Here.
kanya.
Tambukay ka.
Dili siya ganahanin mo.
Di siya ganun ni Days.
The way I help you, don't have to say me, just be my parachute. Yeah.
Alright, days friends. So we're now here in our first stop. Masa ganito kuya? Japanese shipwreck. Pila na siya ka-meters kuya? Ang kalaw mo niya?
3 ra mo ni.
3 ra? Oh, okay. Ito na siya guys, Japanese na ship pa na ni Lubong, ni Lubog pag World War II, ingon si Kuya. So yeah.
I I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on to midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I try to get everyone to see me. I play my games, but I just end up looking like a showcase. I haven't myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down.
Birthdays friends, so mana mi sa mong first stop guys. Mo ato na mi sa mong second stop. Asa tong second stop?
One. Cliff dive.
Mag-cliff dive daw mi guys. So yes, nag-ato ko sa ilaw. Nasakit kaya akong dunggan, grabe. Ang budwa pa siguro na naulian kato akong last na dive. Kaya sakit magyapon siya. Pa-check na rin ako akong dunggan basi naunsa na ni. Alright guys friends, so we're here in our second stop. So mag-cliff jumping mi guys. Ang may ato na sila si Margaret, si abot kinsa na yan dito. So bye guys!
Really scared of heights.
Okay, atras.
Really scared of heights.
Go, JC!
I'm getting really scared of heights.
Straight lang. Jump, JC, jump!
Hey JC friend! Saan yun?
Friend ko yan, mami subscriber yan!
10,000 subscribers. Straight lang days ha.
I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got
If you're
my
not sure,
head in the
don't do it.
clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
When in doubt, don't jump. You can do it.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame.
Go Daisy.
I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling
1, 2, 3.
'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on to midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause
Kamusta?
Cool ba kayo? Pero, sakit kaya akong lupot or yung mag-almoranas.
Kaya pa?
Pero
Anong mas masakit? Ang iniwan ka o yung pagtalon mo?
ang pagtalon ko guys, masakit sa puwet. Woo! Made it guys, I'm so proud of myself.
We're proud of you.
Hello!
Seize the day.
Oh, pero cool bagay kayo siya as in. Daisy. BYC proud! Grabe kayo guys, nabuhat na ako. Dito ko guys, oh, dyan dito. And it's 15 to 20 meters. And dugay kayo ko naka-jump kayo, nagduhag ako if should I go or not? Oh my gosh. Timaan kayo, ni-quit. Ako doon ka na, kahulat.
Grabe, hindi mo kaya sa kataas pero believe ko kay Daisy. Grabe. Good job, Daisy. Good job.
I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but
Hello guys! So, padong namin sa mong third na destination. Mo din ni si Nico, the partner of Antoy Palaboy.
Hello, Days friends!
Aww.
Guys, this girl is so amazing. Grabe ang fighting spirit. She is an inspiration to everyone who has fear of heights. Like, iyahaman lang giambak ang pila ko ka feet.
20 meters.
20 meters na cliff there sa Malapascua. Guys, grabe, makita nyo sa iyahang vlog. So please watch out sa iyahang vlog kaya makita ninyo dito kung isa siya ka. I think that's the essence of an influencer, like to inspire people nga don't be afraid.
Yes, don't be
Diba?
afraid to jump.
Follow this girl, guys, Daisy.
So we're here sa Ilham North Beach, guys. Diri sa Malapascua. I'm still with my YYC. Nagpaabot mi sa mong lunch kay magkuhan pa man sila, magluto pa sila si Kuya. So mag picture lang sa mi diri, mag-relax and mag-rest. And nadiri si Suritabay.
Wow, ako ang masulti na number 1. I really admire you for your bravery. Grabe ang imong courage to jump that 20 foot cliff, no?
Ay,
Grabe.
20 feet. Akong karon meters. Meters man to.
A meters day to. So it's even taas pag ay kayo to. Actually, I went there together with Daisy. Imo makita sa kuwang vlog nga naambil dito ka picture ga vlog, but I did not really wala ko courage ka mo ambak. So I admire Daisy. Daisy's friends, mga subscribe gid kay grabe ni. Di
Grabe na walang inuuruan. So mga on me guys, diri ra sa beach guys. Dilaw ako ya.
Why not?
Soko na. Nawa ko diri guys. Bagbaboy.
Yo, what's up, Daisy friends here? That's friends.
Lami kayong ang kaong gas na human dito dagat. Alright, these friends, we're done having lunch, guys. We're going to our next stop, Coral Reef Meet. Kuya ko, saan niya? Made it here in our third stop, guys. We're here at Coral Garden. So mag-snorkeling ta diri, guys. And we're going to see, ready na kayo, Sir Josh?
Hi guys!
Excited na ka, butan-aw sa
Very
mga
excited
coral.
to look under the sea kung saan nasa Coral Garden.
You got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. That's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you. I'm digging how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you
1.5 kilo.
150 lang daw yan.
Seryoso?
150 pesos.
Yeah, we'll make it 200. Don't worry.
200 pesos. Magkupta na ko, day.
Kuya, madala pa ng Cebu na pilain.
Pila to yun ninyo. So guys, tagaan mi nila ni Kuya o si Urchin sa mga siya guys. Makaon na siya, diretso ang kuan ang iyahang unod. So, wala na siya guys. Kuya, na ni suka, Kuya?
Direkto na naman.
Wala si
Chill sa. Yan, mas kamot na tuloy.
Alright, days friends. So, manaog na ko guys sa boat. Kuya, wait lang. Starfish, you cannot touch that starfish. How's your experience, Nico?
It was really fun. Like, I like the Brgy Field Beach. What's the name of that beach again?
Daki
Like
Daki?
that beach? No, not the Daki.
The northern beach lang, but there's no particular name for it.
Yeah, like, I saw a bitch right there. Guys, nice kayo ang Malapascua, promise. Super nice.
It's my
This is
first time to do island hopping here. Katong first two na ko kay igor ako ni Tapak diri sa Malapascua, and now kay I was able to explore the islands, the beautiful islands of Malapascua. Mura to siya guys, so I think I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure akong bag, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I-blow na yung kuya kong bag ba? Nabasa? Oh my gosh. Ay. Oh my gosh. Akong bag! Nara ba yung drone, dra?
Good, layo ra kayo.
Layo ra? Whew! Oh my gosh, akong bag. Basta mabasa.